meet again on today's episode with Endless at the Endless Routes. Checking in again. Got to give you an update on my mining operation. Today we're going to be talking about my mobile mining, but if you're interested in watching videos and earning crypto passively while mobile mining, definitely check out the links below. I watch videos and earn credits, cash them out for crypto, and I do this while mining for crypto. This is my mobile mining farm. You're probably wondering, what am I mining for? I am mining for Digibyte. So that is what I'm earning. I also have a video down below. I'm not going to go into detail in this one on how I mine and everything, but if you check out the video below, it will tell you and show you how to set these phones up to mine for Digibyte. So check out that video if you want to learn how to mine with some spare cell phones. In total, I have 7 phones mining for Digibyte. I keep the cores down. I'll also put a link to the phones that I use. As you can see here, I have fans that are cooling my phones. I have a charging hub here, and I also have a timer over here. The reason why I have this set up is so that I'm not constantly charging the batteries and getting battery bloat. I've been mining for years, so with cell phones, this is the easiest setup. Now you're probably wondering, how much are you gonna earn? Or how much am I earning? You know, nothing's guaranteed. It really depends on what pool you join, what wallet you use, what equipment you have. There's a lot of variables. So let's go on ahead and I'll show you. This is Trust Wallet. As you can see here, just today, I've earned this much Digibyte. Like I said, I have 7 spare phones. This isn't something I'd go out and buy a bunch of cell phones to mine with. I'd rather invest money in the coin. But if you have spare cell phones with good processors, this is a good setup if you're wanting to earn some extra crypto. But as you can see here, these are the Digibyte transfers. But anyway, this is your boy Endless. Like, comment, subscribe. We're going to keep mining here. We're on the road to 5,000 subs, and it's coming in soon. I have some cool products I'm going to be reviewing on the channel, and I have some cool Christmas stuff that I'm going to be hopefully giving away. So anyway, this is your boy Endless. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.